Hi, this is Chris with GPU, GospelProgressionsUniversity.com, and this tutorial is on You're All I Need by Hezekiah Walker. It's in the key of E, and it goes up to F major. All right, let's take a listen to the intro. Okay, the intro is fairly simple. In the key of E, we start on a 4. So they're doing something like this: E, D sharp, B. So I go to the B here. I normally play B, and the 1 and the 5. It's E over G sharp, back to 4, and go to 2, which is F sharp, D major 7th, the flat 7th, and 5. Again, it's E. Again, it's A, and then B, E over G sharp, A, F sharp, and then D flat, D major 7th to B. That's your intro. Now let's listen to the rest of it. And when you hear this, it's a feel. The feel is, it's kind of like almost like a Latin feel, like a samba for the keyboard part. Now I'll play it. You'll see what I mean.